everybody, welcome back to another third grade Y-Log video. My name is Cara, and the first topic that we're going to be going over is filling in the blank with the greater than, less than, or equal to sign. So if you look on the right corner, I wrote how each sign looks like. So the first sign is a greater than sign, and the second one is a less than sign, and the third one is the equal to sign. So we're going to be doing some examples, and the first problem we're going to be doing is number 2. So the problem is 50 something equals 10. So is 50 greater than 10? Is it less than 10? Or is it equal to 10? So it's obviously not equal to 10 because 50 and 50 are not the same number, or 50 and 10 are not the same number. It's not less than 10 because 50 is a bigger number than 10, so it's going to be greater than 10 because 50 is a greater number than 10. So our answer is greater than sign. Next, we're going to be moving on to number 6, and we have 54 blank 56. So is 54 greater than, less than, or equal to? Is 54 a greater number than 56? And that's a no. Is it less than 56? Yes, 54 is a smaller number than 56. So we're going to have, less than as our answer. Next, we're going to be doing number 9. 43 blank 43. Is 43 a big greater number than 43? Is it a less number? Is it a smaller number, or is it the same number? And 43 and 43 are the same number, so it's going to be an equal sign. Moving on to the next page, we have division, and I'm going to start off by doing number 3. So we have 18 divided by 6. So we're going to first draw the division sign. Remember that the first number goes on the inside and the second number goes on the outside. So we see how many times does 6 go into 1, and 6 doesn't go into 1. So we move on to the next number, which is 18. So how many times does 6 go into 18? Well, 6 times 3 is 18. So 6 goes into 18 3 times. Then we subtract and get 3 as our answer. Next, we're going to be doing number 6. Again, same format, division sign. First number goes on the inside, second number goes on the outside. 2 goes into 5, 2 times 2 is 4. We subtract, we get 1. Bring down the 0. How many times does 2 go into 10? And 2 goes into 10 5 times. We subtract 10, get 0, and our answer is 25. Next, we're going to be moving on to number 13. For this one, anything divided by 1 is the number you're dividing by. So since we're dividing 190 by 1, 190 is automatically going to be our answer. And the last problem we're going to be doing on this page is number 19. 60 divided by 6. 6 goes into 6 one time. Subtract, bring down the 0. 6 goes into 0 times. We subtract, we get 0, and our answer is 10. The next page is multiplication, and I'm going to start off with number 1. 3 times 3. So 1, 2, 3. I'm going to be drawing 3 sets of 3. So as you can see, I've just drawn 3 little drawings. So I've drew 3 sets of 3. So we're just going to count. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And our answer is going to be 9. Next, we're going to be moving on to number 4, 10 times 4. So we're going to write it out this time. 10 times 4. My recommendation is that whenever you're multiplying a bigger number, or a number with more digits than a number, I recommend you put the number with the more digits on the top. So we're first going to multiply down. So 0 times 4 is 0, 4 times 1 is 4, and our answer is going to be 40. Next, we're going to be doing number 14, and I'm going to be drawing it out for this problem as well. I'm going to be drawing 2 sets of 7. So that's one set. So that's another set. So now we're just going to count how many there is. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. And the answer we get is 14. Moving on to the last topic for this video is word problems. So we're going to start off with number 2. It says there are a total of 50 states in the United States. Johnny has been to 29 of them. How many states has he not been to yet? So we know that there's 50 states in the United States. Let me write that again. Sorry. So there's 50 states in the United States, and it says Johnny has been to 29 of them. So we're just going to subtract 29 to find how many he hasn't been to. So if we do 50 minus 29, we get 0. Since we can't subtract 0 minus 9, we're going to have to borrow. If the 5 turns into a 4, 0 turns into 10. 10 minus 9 is 1. 4 minus 2 is 2. So Johnny has not been to 21 states. Oops. Okay, there we go. Thank you for watching.